Read the text.
Luna pressed her hands to the window. The clouds were funny, gone.
Good.
And the sun was shiny.
Good.
Can we go outside now?
Good.
She asked. The teacher nodded.
Yeah.
And everyone skipped out the door, eager to play outside. Luna noticed something strange. Birds were flying low, and the leaves on some trees had flipped over the air, fell heavy,
Good.
and still.
Good.
Luna remembered us saying
Good. Saying
her grandfather had taught
is teach.
Okay,
teach.
taught.
Okay.
Taught
Past tense of teach. Taught
her when birds fly low and leaves flip over. Rain is coming. The single
signs. The signs means the birds and the leaf.
Well, all there. I think it's going to rain, Luna told her teacher. Just then, the clouds appeared.
Good.
Moving quickly across the sky. Luna gasped. Her grandfather was right. Luna and her classmates hurried inside just in time, though the windows they watched the rain pour down.
Okay, good. Okay, you know every word. Okay.
Listen, what is the other's purpose and main message in this text?
Okay.
The other wants to inform readers that weather reports are not always accurate.
Not always precise. Right. Okay.
The other wants to inform readers that traditional weather things, signs can predict storms. The other wants to entertain readers with a story that shows how old. No. Knowledge.
I think maybe we need this one.
Can
Knowledge.
Be so.
Knowledge. Okay, let's need that. Knowledge. Okay. Do you remember this?
Shoelace.
Good.
Shoelace.
Ma. We don't.
No.
Shoelace.
Knowledge.
Okay. Information
understanding
or skill
skill
that you get from
experience
or
education. Okay. A thirst
thus
for knowledge. They have
little
knowledge. Okay, little knowledge.
Knowledge.
knowledge
Knowledge.
knowledge
Knowledge.
knowledge
Can spell.
KNOWLEDGE knowledge. Now
Okay. Yeah. Intelligence. Knowledge. Wisdom. Yeah, knowledge. Expertise. Okay. The other wants to entertain readers with a story that show how old
knowledge can still be useful today.
Good.
The other wants to entertain readers with a story about how children should listen to their grandparents.
Okay, which one?
It's Kyle.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Summit.
Yeah.
Want you just listen to me.
Okay, let's read another.
Just when families gather together to play board games, everyone can have a great time. You get to see each other's faces
Good.
and laugh together in the same room. Kids, parents, and grandparents can all join and taking turns listening, talking, and playing.
Good voice.
There are so many kinds of games to choose from. Everyone can take turns finding one that fits their interests.
Good.
There are gems.
What's that?
Board games. There are games about building cities, solving mysteries, testing your mystery
Memory. Yeah, remember this memory. How you remember things. Ability to remember things. Memory. Okay, memory. What's that?
knowledge.
Good.
Knowledge.
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 Knowledge. Listen.
Knowledge.
Knowledge. They have little knowledge.
Of fashion. Okay, that's
Listen.
knowledge.
I need to listen. I do.
Memory.
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 So the ability to remember things. Okay.
Shh. This is the
The power or process of reproducing or recalling what has been learned and retained, especially through associative mechanisms. Okay.
began to lose his memory as he grew older.
Okay.
Memory.
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 Okay, can spell.
MEMORY. Memory.
Okay, memory. Okay. Yeah, there are games about building cities, solving mysteries, testing your
memory, and even telling stories. Each game feels like new every time you play because people make different choices and surprise from one other, one another.
good.
Movies always end the same way, but board games never do. Someone new might win every time. That's why you finally should think about playing more board games together.
Okay.
That's why you should.
What's the purpose?
What is the other's purpose and main message in this text? The other wants to persuade readers that some board games are better than others. The other wants to inform readers about how different types of board games are played. The other wants to inform readers about how board games became popular.
Good.
The other wants to persuade
Good.
readers that board games are a good way to bring families together.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Look
Okay,
at my
let's
hips.
maybe not finish it. We just read some.
During an afternoon at
the
park.
Jing
J
crunched.
crunched
Okay, crunch in the grass. Okay, crunched in the grass. Crunched in the grass like that. Okay. Crunched. Jing crunched.
the grass. Jing crunched in the grass with his
Magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. You see, it can make things look bigger. Okay, magnify. Glass. Okay, magnify glass. You see, they look bigger. Magnifying means make things.
memory.
No. Memory. Yes.
Memory.
Began to lose his memory as he grew older.
Okay. Magnifying. Oh, magnify.
Magnify.
Okay, magnify.
To make something great.
Okay, make something great. Okay.
The sound was magnified by the
Come.
air.
Yeah. Okay.
Magnify.
Okay, spell it.
magnify. Magnify.
Okay. Here it says magnifying.
Magnifying glass.
Okay.
He watched a small beetle crawl under a rock. The park.
Okay. The park.
Buzzed with.
Maybe we stop here.